Hello, dear learners. Welcome to the Genie Academy. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about present purchasing. Actually, we will use have or has in our sentences. For example, I have a car, I have a friend, my father has a brother, my mother has a supportive family. Okay, but do not get confused while using have or has in your sentences. Okay, there is an easy rule which we need to follow. And the rule is with third person singular subjects we use has. So our sentences would be he has a school bag. My neighbor has a garden. I have a home. India has great leaders. Okay. So first sentence was he has a school bag. He is a subject here and it's a third person singular subject. That is why I have used has with he. And the sentence has become he has a school bag. My neighbor has a garden. My neighbor is a third person singular subject. That is why the sentence is my neighbor has a garden. I have a home. I is not a third person singular subject, right? So we can use have. The sentences I have a home. India has great leaders. India is a nation. It's a third person singular subject, right? So the sentence has become India has great leaders. So I have given more examples in the next slide, and you need to read the sentences aloud and try to learn the concept. Okay? Now I'm wrapping up this session. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.